You tremble at the sight of black clouds on the horizon. In your world of meticulous plans, change is the enemy. You fear a faltering career, a broken schedule, and a future you cannot dictate. You demand a world that is forever still. Yet you forget one simple truth. The universe owes you no stillness. Look at yourselves, wasting nights in restless worry, trying to catch the wind that you cannot even touch. Panic is merely the punishment you inflict upon yourself for things that have not yet happened. You call it misfortune. You call it a disaster. To me, to Zenon, this is but moving air. The fault lies not in the strength of the gale, but in the fragility of your footing. My secret is simple. I do not waste energy fighting the direction of the wind. I let the pressure build beneath my wings, and I use that very force to lift me higher. Stop asking for a life without trials. Ask for stronger wings. Let every failure and every uncertainty be the current that propels you to heights the fair weather flyers will never reach. Now, look down. The storm that once filled you with dread is now far beneath your feet. This is true victory, not the absence of the storm, but the absence of your fear toward it. Become the master of your own winds. For above these clouds, there is only peace for those who dare to embrace the gale. I shall see you at the next summit.